Okay. DFS is not there here. Let me tell you. DFS, what will show? Yeah. See, DFS, in case of DFS also how CHUB and DPS is called conversion I have ready for injection. Same way, DFS also will call. Okay. Same way. DFS also, these are all like IHAPS, we call it as IHAPS. I told you, right? IHAPS. IHAPS. That was conversion I have ready for injection, they will call it as a name also. Same CHUB and DPS we already done. Next application is the DFS. Conversion account staged. Next, here all how one more come conversion. Oh, sorry, I copied something. Where is this one? Okay, here copy conversion device promo stage. Then here say conversion in case of DFS how this one. In case of DPS, how conversion payment history message to call Kafka and Amil get notified, right? In case of DFS, conversion device promo. I noted somewhere. Conversion device promo staged. Conversion device promo staged. Okay. Make sure. Conversion device promo staged. Okay. Amil will publish, yes will publish a message to Kafka and Amil get notified. Then DFS. DFS will call, notify ready for injection, Amil publishing to D5. Okay. Here DFS is depends on the DFS also one more additional step after conversion account staged. Conversion device promo staged event need to come. Then only DFS will call this API.
Okay.
You saw the difference, right? CHUB only wait for conversion account staged. But DPS is having one more additional event. But DFS having depends on the conversion device promo staged event. Okay? You understand, right? How DFS. DFS will call notify ready for injection API based on this event, enter DPIO. When you go to DPIO, here, see conversion account payment history, we already discussed it. This is for DPS. This you can see second one, conversion device promo staged. You are seeing, right?
Yeah.
Conversion device promo staged. You can see. Conversion device promo staged. It will show financial account number like a ban TMO ban. Then it will go based on this one. Then DFS will call notify ready for injection. Conversion I have notify ready for injection means conversion I have ready for injection. Okay. In the D5 it will show this is the message event name. Conversion I have ready for injection. This one first one is CHUB. Next one is DPS. Right?
Yeah.
Third one, this is one you can see. Conversion I have ready for injection, right? This is for DFS, device finance. You can see. Conversion I have ready for injection, account number. This is the account number is event type. You can see. Event type is conversion I have ready for injection. account number is a TMO account number, and financial account number, TMO, external sprint account number, source system, DFS means device finance. Okay, device financial services, device finance, DFS. Readiness indicator, R, means we are good. DFS sent as a good. DFS indicator, R. DFS side we are good. Okay. Now same as SPE also. SPE we have conversion service promo staged, but here I can ask SPE conversion service promo staged. Same. Okay. Here we don't have that event because I will tell you explain. We don't have conversion service promo staged event. Conversion, see, we don't have that event, right?
Yeah.
Conversion service, because actually why it is not there today's test, because we have a capability in AMIL application. Okay, AMIL application, these whatever the APIs are calling, these are AMIL APIs, right? Conversion, whatever the notify ready for injection is AMIL API.
Yeah.
AMIL application have the capability to disable these applications. It will wait for only two applications. It no need to wait for these two applications. In application, in AMIL side, they can change the code configuration. Okay, we don't want DFS and SPE. We need only CHEP and DPS. Then these two calls won't come. Currently, what is the current configuration? The AMIL is, AMIL system is looking for only CHEP and DPS and DFS calls. Okay. They change the configuration as per the TMO request for this endurance test only. Okay. For this endurance test, CHEP is not included. Usually CHEP also includes, but this time CHEP is SP is not there. Sorry, SP is not there.
Okay.
So that's why you are seeing only you can see 3 ready for injection calls. Now you will get understand clearly. One is CHEP, one is DPS, one is DFS.
Okay.
Okay, because AMIL configuration they changed, like we don't want SPE. Okay, even some regular our regular test.
We are
DFS also won't be there. Only we see only CHEP and DPS calls. Means here you see only 2 calls. Okay.
Currently, we are using only CHEB and DPS.
And DFS also. You see 3 calls, right?
Yeah, I can see the third call.
Yeah, third call. Means CHEP and DPS and DFS is coming.
Okay.
From Monday or Tuesday onwards, they are going to remove. If it is our regular test, DFS also won't be there. Okay. DFS is nothing but a loans actually. Suppose actually whatever the testing we are testing the bans. Ban loans means they will mark up the loans. We cannot create the loan. If we create the loan, we have the create loan API in AMDAC side also, but that is not valid for this test. Okay, if you will create the loan also, that won't be valid. Loan means DFS. If it is the actual ban having the loan, they will mark up the loans in their environment. We will give the ban to DFS team. Before the test, they will do some modifications and they will create the loan in their end. Then, when we do the conversion flow, when it reaches to DFS system, they will treat as this ban is having the loan. Then they will send the readiness indicator R.
Okay.
Okay. If ban does not have a loan in their side, okay, in some cases such functionality, DFS will send in the response instead of R, NA will send, not applicable. Okay, in that cases also, it will proceed with the success sometimes. Okay, sometimes means based on the configuration. That is just a configuration setup in the AMIL side.
Okay.
Okay, for usually our regular load test we will do with CHEP and DPS only. we will ask Amil team to disable DFS and SPE calls.
Okay.
Means Amil team, okay, 1 second, I will tell you. Once this is completely DFS and DFS, CHUB, DPS, these all three calls assume there is no SPE today. Okay, there is no SPE today. Forget about SPE. Okay, we'll anyway SPE also same thing. How DFS and DPS is calling, SPE also. If SPE is enabled in the system, SPE also will call the notify ready for injection. You will see one more call here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, there is no difference here. SPE, you will get one more call here. If there is, we have only 3 calls today. Means we received all 3 calls success. You can see. Okay. You can see all 3 calls success. Then here you will go to, once this is done, suppose here as per architecture, only CHUB and DPS calls will be there, right? CHUB and DPS calls only there. Okay. Here CHUB and DPS call notify ready for injection, and then it is step number 7 is done until now. Assume as part of step number 7 we have called DFS also. Okay. But in the, here DFS is not there. I told already DFS, right? I explained you.
Yeah.
CHUB and DPS DFS already completed until here. Step number 8. Amil wait for the injection readiness status to confirm all HAPs upon with the notify is to start the injection. Okay. Once all the ready for injection means these all 3 steps are done. Sorry, 1 step. No, conversion I have ready for injection received success from all the applications. CHUB, DPS, CHUB, DFS. Okay. Then step 9, 11 will complete.
Okay.
Okay. Start injection. I will tell you. Start injection when it will come is once see Amil waits for the injection readiness indicator. Amil will wait for all the applications to get the call from readiness indicator. Means whatever the call is step number 7, notify ready for injection, right? Amil, this is Amil API. Amil will wait for all the 3 applications or 4. How many applications are configured? Amil will wait for all those applications for the readiness indicator. Once it will, Amil receives all the application calls. See, wait and record injection readiness status for each applications. Just read these statements, you will understand.
Yeah.
Wait.
Injection readiness status for each app. Okay. Each app
You
means,
understand?
okay.
Which one? Each app means CHUB.
CHUB, DPS.
Okay. How many applications are configured based on the configuration? Minimum at least always it should be there 2 applications. CHUB and DPS always be there. Okay.
Okay.
DFS and SPE are optional. That is based on the requirement. If TMO wants to test with those I have also, we need to ask Amil to configure those 2. Otherwise, those 2 won't be there.
Okay.
Okay. Amil will wait here and record injection readiness status for each application. Amil will receive the readiness indicator for each application. Okay. Once it receives it, in case you see, follow the failure path. In case Amil will receive the response from all the applications, right? In this response, in any application sends the failure instead of R, instead of failure. Okay. Readiness indicator impossible means I. Instead of R, it will come sometimes I.
Okay.
I means impossible, means some failure. Impossible means readiness, conversion account is not ready for injection. Means conversion is not happening. It's not valid for conversion or some application issue. Sometimes they have their application issue. For any reason, it will send I, means impossible. Or any status received from within the timeout window. Suppose either 2 options. two choice. One is three total. One is Amil should receive the success. Okay. For application. Another one is Amil should receive the impossible, means failure.
Okay.
Okay, let me write it here. You will get understand.
Amil means in DPI only we can get it, right? Amil will get
No.
it.
Yeah. DPIO will get it. Amil will, yeah. DPIO for us visibility, same
Yeah.
thing. Amil only will publish the DPIO.
Yeah.
Sorry. Once Amil gets only, Amil will publish a DPIO, then only we can see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Otherwise, Amil won't get it. How Amil will publish into DPIO?
Oh.
You can see the architecture, right?
Yeah,
Amil only will publish into DPIO. See.
Yeah. That's what.
Yeah. Okay.
For our visibility, I'm asking.
Yeah, Amil, yeah. Amil, once Amil gets it, Amil publish into DPIO. Okay, here, suppose these three cases, assume these three applications. If Amil, okay, receive all, receive status from all applications. Application means all the above. Okay, make sure all applications. Status. Okay, one. Success. Sorry.
Readiness or.
Yeah, success. Readiness indicator R. R means success. Okay. Means readiness. Second one. Readiness indicator I.
Fail.
I means impossible, means failure. Okay. Impossible. I means impossible. Failure.
Okay.
Some cases, Amil won't receive any response from any app. It means what? Understand third statement?
Okay. The A's got blocked.
No. Yes won't come into picture at all here.
Okay.
Here applications are calling to this notify ready for injection to this API to other applications are calling this API to Amil, sending the indicator. If Amil won't receive any response from app means, that means any application did not call this API at all.
Okay.
Any reason in the back end, we don't know. For us, we don't know. We are not seeing this call in the DPIO.
Okay.
That means either DPIO or sometimes publishing to DPIO, it will get time actually. Sometimes some GUI issue, it won't show in the DPIO, but we can see in the Splunk log. Okay. Splunk log we can see. Suppose it will either Amil will receive readiness indicator or indicator I failure. Sometimes Amil won't receive any response from any app, any one of the app. Okay. That means applications won't, any of the applications won't call notify ready for injection API at all.
Okay.
Here see. In case of, I will show you, Amil will wait for readiness indicator for each applications. In case of system confirms, readiness indicator I, or status not received within the timeout window. Not received. Not received within the timeout window means any application did not call ready for indicator. Okay, whatever this call. Suppose where is this one? This one. Suppose we received all three applications correct, we are good. If anyone is missing here, suppose DFS did not call here.
Okay.
Means only two will be there, right? DFS for one of the ban, assume we didn't get this one API for one of the for one ban. DFS did not call this API.
Okay.
Okay, then we have in Amil is waiting for all these three systems to call this API. Okay, here the logic is just nothing but Amil will once conversion account staged, then Amil will wait for all these applications will call notify ready for injection API. Okay, Amil will wait. That how much time it will wait? Suppose sometimes it will call 1 minute, sometimes it call 2 minutes, sometimes it call 5 minutes based on their application capability. Sometimes the application having some issues in their end. Assume their file system got filled. They are unable to call. It will take time to clean up their system and it will call APIs. It will take like more than 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Usually if there is no issue, it will call within 30 seconds only. Okay, max it's 30 seconds or 1 minute.
Okay.
If it is okay, if suppose any of the application is not calling, some stuck, our transaction is stuck at their end. Okay, in the DPS, assume DFS system, something got stuck, they are unable to call. Okay, how much time Amil will wait to complete the transaction? Right? Amil cannot wait like a whole day, right? To wait
Yeah.
for that. Like
All three
Amil cannot.
completed.
Yeah. No. Two already received. One application is still pending. Okay. Two applications are okay. One application or two anything. Suppose one received or three not received. Amil has to wait. Amil is waiting for this call. Okay. How much time need to wait? The Amil cannot wait like whole day 24, right? 24 by 7.
Yes.
It has a time, it has a limit, 2-hour limit. Okay.
2 hour,
It's
okay.
SLA. It's a production SLA. In
Okay.
PLAB also.
Okay.
Amil will wait for only 2-hour time.
Okay.
Within 2 hour means when is the time is when I'm locked in sprint. From that time onwards, it will wait for 2 hours.
Okay.
Okay, sprint ban locked. Okay, let me explain here. Okay, suppose any Amil won't receive any links. Amil, one second. Amil has timeout. Time limit is 2 hour SLA. Okay, 2 hour SLA. Okay, it will wait. Amil will wait for 2 hour. Okay. Even after 2 hour, Amil will wait for 2 hour for the